Good morning, everyone. And for today, we're going to do the first impression of the new fresh baked Shadow Sense collection. This one comes in this beautiful white bag. You can see it is like textured glitter, but it's not like something that will fall off. This bag is my favorite from the recent ones. I used to love the rainbow or the pink ones, but this is very fabulous. So it came with three different shades, and I would say for the first time I saw all three shimmers in one. Usually it will be like a combination. It will be like one or two matte with one shimmer or glitter, or similar to that. But here you have, if you're a shimmer person, then this is such a perfect shades to start with. Here we have the brown stones. You can see the colors are really gorgeous. Like, this is, I'm so obsessed with it. Looks so pretty in the tube. First one is buttercream shimmer, which is like a rose gold kind of shimmer one. So if you have loved my rose gold outlooks I did during the Navratri, then that's perfect. The second one is smoked spice shimmer, which is like a mauvish taupe. I would say it's like it's darker shade of the dusk shimmer. That's how this one looks. And the last one is obviously brown sugar shimmer, which is closer to garnet with a little bit of shimmer to it. So I'm really excited. I will show the colors that are really closer to each other at the end. Let's start with the eye look. I did my first two step where I color corrected using Natural Tan Shadow Sense, and I have used rustic brown as my eyebrow color. So the first one I'm taking is the buttercream shimmer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do is as all over lid shade and also as a crease color. If you're new to Shadow Sense, this one is not the applicator. It is just to take out the product, because Shadow Sense is cream to powder, so you will need very tiny amount to start with, or else it is hard to blend with, because it goes on cream and sets as a powder. So I always like to use a brush. So I'm going to take just a tiny bit from here. That itself is more when it comes to Shadow Sense. So I'm going to apply it as a all over lid shade here. You can see how pretty this shade is. Like, you can just leave it as it is as a one color too. That's how pretty it is. And with Shadow Sense you can always go back and layer on how much you need to. So that's the cool advantage, and once it sets, it's not going to move at all. So you have your all day wear benefit, and also it has Senaplex complex in it, so it comes with anti-aging benefits. And I'm going to run the same color underneath too. Whenever I do an eye look, I always make sure to do to cover my lower lashes too. That's when the eye look will really pop. And color like this can be used as a blush. Think of this as a blush color. It will go amazingly well, and it can blend. Shadow Sense can be used in multiple ways. You can use it as lip color, you can use it as your concealer, you can use it as a blush, you can use it as a highlighter. There are like plenty of possibilities when it comes to Shadow Sense. The next one I'm taking is the smoked spice shimmer. It is like a very what is it, like a pretty mauvish taupe shade. So here I'm going to start from the middle and do it till the end of the lashes. This is I like these kind of shades during my what is it, like fall and winter. They will go perfect for any evening or party wear kind of shades, and they are not too bold. That's how it is. Like, you can see it's very subtle shimmer, but at the same time it will take the light and glow in the evening. So take a clean fluffy brush and always make sure to blend out the edges, and that way you should not have any harsh lines at the end. It should be more of a ombre effect of dark to light. So anytime when you use more than one shade, make sure to go back and blend them at where they meet. I like how it looks, so I'm going to stop here. But if you feel like you need more, you can always add more layers to it. And I'm going to add the same shade in my lower lashes, and then let's go back to the last shade here in the collection. With the Shadow Sense, it's you have like a 30 to 50 seconds for you to blend. So make sure to blend when it is, because once it sets, it's not going to move anywhere. So you should blend before it sets, and once it sets, you will don't have to worry about it whole day. It's going to be there, and it's smudge resistant and water resistant. The last one is Brown Sugar Shimmer. I'm going to do it in my outer corner, this one. If you love cocoa, I would say this is cocoa as a lip color, I mean Shadow Sense color. That's how it is. So I'm going to just darken my outer crease, and also I'm going to take it a little bit to my crease color as well. So it's basically how you want the shades to go with each other. For example, in this itself, you can just use the buttercream shimmer and the sugar shimmer alone. So you can go with two shades, or you can do one shade all over the lid color. Like for example, if you want a darker shade, you can go with brown sugar shimmer as a one lid color, and that will look good too. So let's take the brown sugar shimmer. Here I'll be really excited because I like when it is dark and it can give that nice smoky look to the under lower lids actually, because that will add quite a dimension when you have a color like this. I love to use a garnet, rustic brown, what else, like a French roast. Some of these shades gets burgundy and all got sold out individually, because these shades will work year around, and you can pair it with many different shades. So if you are a lover of darker shades or brown shades, don't forget to grab this shade. This is a Real Technique brush. It's a shading brush from Real Technique. This is my favorite to do my lower lashes. I'm going to do the eyeliner now. I'm going to do the Starry Sky, which is a limited edition. You can always use our black pencil or even black brown pencil and do like a smudgy eye look too. So it's basically how you want the look to be. I always like to do my liquid liner on top, whereas my pencil liner just to smudge it on the corners. So Starry Sky is now on sale, and it's like a what is it, like last chance item. So it's on sale for 25% along with few other lip colors and few other eye colors. So if you like black eyeliner, I mean liquid eyeliner with glitters, then please make sure to grab on. And the price was really worth, because these are going to be long lasting, and both our pencils and liquids are water resistant and smudge resistant all day wear, so they won't come out until you take it at the end of the day. So I'm going to do my lower lashes with the black pencil. You can always use Onyx Shadow Sense too. So there are multiple ways you can do the same eye look. Our pencils are really creamy, and nice way to warm it up is, once you warm it up, it will apply really well. You can either sit on it or you can keep it closer to your body, and it will really melt and makes it go very smooth. So I'm going to do the lash primer first. Our lash primer has the Capixel that will help to grow the lashes, and this way you will it applies beige, but that will help to make the mascara go really well. And it is 3 in 1, because it conditions and lengthens the lashes, and that way when the mascara goes in, it's going to help it stay longer and it will enhance the color. That's why it's been given as beige, and if it is black, you won't even know whether you have coated all your lashes. This way you can make sure you are coating every single lash. I always do my top lashes alone, and I am going to go with our non-waterproof mascara. We do carry non-waterproof and waterproof, and with non-waterproof we do have 3 different shades too. We have like a cyan, we have a royal blue, and we have a purple too. So if you have teens who will look all these fun kind of looks, you can always buy them these kind of shades. And again, our both um, waterproof and non-waterproof or smudge resistant, whereas this is water resistant, that is waterproof. That's why that is the only difference. If you're someone who has watery eyes, then obviously go for the waterproof, and you won't have bleeding or you won't have any creases after the day. So let me go and apply the non-waterproof. You can go up to 3 layers of our mascara, so make sure you take time to coat it. I always like to start it at the end, and that way I'll be able to coat them really nicely. And as I said, it is anyway going to stay all day, so take the time to apply really well. So here is the finished look with the new fresh baked Shadow Sense colors. Here I have swatched them. So you can see this is buttercream shimmer, which is like a rose gold kind of a shimmer shade. Here it is the smoked spice shimmer, which is like a mauvish taupe shade, and here it is buttercream, not buttercream, it is brown sugar shimmer, which is like a dark brown with shimmer to it. Like these three are like really pretty shades which can go on its own too. So such a nice starter collection if you're looking for something. And when you buy as a collection, you get this beautiful white bag, and you can always grab them individually until they get sold out. With Shadow Sense, once it's set, it is not going to go anywhere, whether it's here or anywhere. Like, I mean, I can do anything after this, like it will stay all day and I don't have to worry about it. This is the closest I can say. This is our brown stone shimmer, but if you see the tube itself, you can see the undertones are little different. This has more of a taupe undertone, whereas this has like a more brownish tone, but they are a little similar to each other. But when you apply only, you will see there is like a light color difference. So with Shadow Sense, you have what is it, like picking the shade that can be of same color group, or even for example, if you see these two, this is bright light glitter, whereas this is the shimmer one. So you can layer them to give the glitter effect too. So that way you can do like Americano kind of very matte shade and do the shimmer or glitter on top, or you can even do the shimmer as a aloe base and then do the glitter. Just touching it on top of this shimmer will give that such a pretty look for any party wear. To say browns, here the brownstone shimmer can go very well with burgundy. This will be an amazing eye look because you have the shimmer to layer, and you have the burgundy to give that extra smokiness. The same way you can do garnet or rustic brown. So when it comes to Shadow Sense, the possibilities are endless. You can always add, and this tube will last you so long, and it's easy to carry in your handbag or anywhere. And as I mentioned, you can use it in plenty of ways too. So you can even use brownstone shimmer as your lip color, and it will stay it will not stay as Lip Sense, but it will still stay, and it will give you a matte look. It will still be a shimmer, but the finish will be more of a powdery matte finish. That's it. Hope you have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for next video. Have a wonderful day.